Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook story views not showing. So are your Facebook story views missing or not updating? In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can fix the issues quickly and see who's watching your stories again. So the first method, you can just refresh the app. You can try to just close the Facebook app and then try to reopen it, and now you can just swipe down to refresh the section and try viewing your own story again, because sometimes a simple refresh is all you need. Then the second method, you can check your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable mobile network, and you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. So a weak internet connection might delay the story views count from updating, so you can just wait and check your internet connection. The third method, you can update the Facebook app. So you can try to just open the Play Store or App Store and then search for Facebook. And here you can see updates, so you can just tap on update if available. So keeping your app updated ensure you have the latest fixes and features. And the next method, you can try to clear the Facebook cache. This is for Android users. So you can just go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down, tap on apps, then select Facebook in here, and you can just try to find the options to clear the cache. So in my device, I'm going to need to go to this storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. So once you do that, after that you can just restart the app and check your story views again. So this will help remove the temporary bugs and causing the issue. And the next one, you can also check your privacy settings. So you can just open Facebook and go to your story, and here you can check on the story privacy. Make sure that the story is set to public, friends, or custom. So if it sets to only me, then no one will ever see your story. Next method, you can also try to log out and log back in. So log out of Facebook and log back in and check if your story views are now visible. And next, you can also try to using Facebook Lite or another device. So download Facebook Lite and check your story views there. Or you can also try to log in on a different phone or PC to see if views are showing. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.